There's something in here, Tommy. I can't see anything, but I can hear it. I didn't want to call you over for just something like that, but I did want you to, I guess, know about it. I don't know. I'm trying to, like, get it to sound so you know more better. I gotta admit, it's starting to freak me out a bit. But anyway, I kept hearing it. Came back here to check, and the cat food was, you know, all over the floor. So I cleaned that up and then started hearing that. And like I said, I didn't want to just call you over a noise, but I thought maybe if I could get it recorded, you could at least hear it and know that I'm not seeing anything, but you can sure hear it. And Butters, you can still hear it behind me, and Butters is right there. So it's not him. So I'm just going to close this door, and yeah, just, you know, if you need me to do anything, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you next time you come, when you come over. All right, love you.